So this is the Galaxy Note 9 with the privacy screen protector, and this is only like a two-way privacy screen protector, so I think it only blocks it if you look at it from like the left and the right side. So for example, if I do that, it gets dark. If I do that, it gets dark. But as far as like up and down, there is no privacy on that way. But I think for this one I probably paid, I want to say maybe $10 for this screen protector. Maybe it was 15, I forgot how much it was, but I'll leave a link in the description below. And so I'll show you the different. So this is about 50%. So let's see, if I were to go in my messages, that's what it would look like. So if I was texting, someone may not be able to see as clear what I'm typing, but if I show it, show them the phone, then they will. But so from the angles, it is a little bit tough to see, but for you can see it perfect. And that's with 50% brightness. Now, as far as if I were to do max brightness, let's see. So from the side, it's still somewhat, I think that one's more, you can still see. So as far as the quality of this one, I don't think it's too much privacy on it. Like, it's not overly dark or anything like that, but at the same time, Samsung does make these screens that are really bright. So yeah, I guess the privacy could be a little bit better. And if I were to go to maybe 25% brightness, as you can tell, you can still see it, but oh man, I wanted to try another gesture. Oh well, let's see. No. Okay, so here it goes with 25% brightness, which is pretty good for indoors. If you look at that, it's completely dark. So I think I like that one, because if I'm sending messages, that's what people are going to see. So I think that 25% is pretty good. 50%, let me just show you that one more time, was also, let's get it right in the middle. Okay, so 50% is this one. So it's still somewhat dark, but yeah, so that's what that one looks like. So leave a comment if you like this video, and be sure to subscribe, and leave a comment if you have any questions.